We have the table saw.
There are a few main components that we decided to pick and talk about the whole thing really.
Yeah. Alright, so the first one is the base. It's this thing down here. And it houses all the components like the motor, the trimmings, and the arbors.
The table and the extension wing is another major part. That's this piece and this piece. It's just a flat surface for you to glide your powder across. So that way it's not at an angle and it makes it cut uneven.
Alright, so the rib fence is this thing right here. But it's just to make it so your board goes straight and doesn't bind up on the blade. And you can move it like that. Just like measurement and stuff like that.
And we have the body gauge, which is this piece right here. You just slide it in here and it just helps you cut angles, material at angles. And you just glide it through and it just provides a straight edge for you to push it against, that way it doesn't go flying off when it hits the blade.
Alright, so this pirate wheel down here is the height adjuster, and you just turn it to change the height of the blade. And clockwise raises the blade, counterclockwise lowers the blade.
Alright, and this is a little bit different to turn on than other machines, but you have to turn this little switch up, and then there'll be a green light and a red light, and you have to wait for the red light to stop flashing before you can pull this piece out, and that starts the blade. But you have to make sure it's a 1/4 inch above the material before we can cut. How we'll demonstrate is how to use the body gauge and I'll use that.
So, remember to always make sure you have your 4-inch margin of safety. So right here, I can't put my fingers here because it's not 4 inches away.
And I'll show how to use the fence. This fence, this is more used for cuts that Kyle just did. And this one is generally used for this type of cut, the rib cut. You still need to push this, and it's still pretty important to keep a 4-inch margin of safety. That's why you can use these. You just push it along and glide it along, and then pull the piece off and turn it off. Is pretty important in this because you don't want to put your fingers on the blade because that can stop the blade and it costs money to replace it. And always make sure that if the red light comes on anytime you're cutting, except for when you're turning it on, make sure you touch stop so that way it's anything wrong with it.
And then after the stop, just